Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to magnetize your tools. Whether you have a screwdriver, you want magnetized, or a pocket knife, any metal tool that you want magnetized, it's real simple to do. And I'm going to show you how to do this. Now here's a screwdriver, it's a little Stanley. And as you can see now, I can't pick up anything. If I want to put this screw on the end of it, you know, you want to put this in a screw up against the wall and you like that, and it just falls off. So you don't want that. So I'm going to show you how to magnetize it. So this is a dish that has the magnet. There's a magnet in the bottom, and this is this dish that holds your nuts and bolts and whatever. So I'm going to use that just because it has a magnet on the bottom. So I'm going to turn that upside down, and one way you either push it across or pull it back. One magnetizes it and one unmagnetizes it. So you can change it in a second. So here we go. It's not magnetized. See this? It won't pick up anything. I'm going to try pushing it. So I'm going to try pushing it again. Try pushing it, pulling it. Okay, look at that. Okay, here we go. Put your screw on it. It'll stay there. Push it in the hole. Put it on it like this. Push it in the hole. Here's your nail. Screw. I need to make that stronger. So you pull on it. Put it in the middle of it and do it. Hey, look at that. Put it in the middle and pull. Pick up these screws. Pick up this nail. Pick up this one. Now I say, okay, I don't want it magnetized anymore. So all I'm going to do is just push it across. Look at that. It won't do anything. I'm going to take it here. I'm going to pull it back. There we go. Okay, I'm going to push it. Won't do nothing. I'm going to put it on there and I'm going to pull it. There we go. Now watch this. Here's one you buy in the store, and I just put some duct tape on it to hold it together. It had a rubber band on it. Rubber band broke. Now this one does the same thing. Like, it's magnetized now. Okay, it's not magnetized very much now. Let's see. So I'm going to go in, out, and look at that, it magnetizes it, okay? You want it real powerful, in, out, in, out, in, out. Pretty darn powerful. Pick up these nails, screws, look at that. Okay, turn this over and go in, out. So, and it still does it. See that? Either way, it doesn't matter. This way or this way. It's magnetized. So watch this. Go on the outside edge of it. Look at that. Go on the outside edge, pushing, nothing. Inside, in, out. Pick them up. Outside edge, outside edge. Gonna pull, and it's dead. Look at that. So outside edge, pull, unmagnetized. Look at that. You can also do that with just an old magnet, like this is a cow magnet that I broke in half. Okay, right now it's not magnetized. I want to magnetize this. So I can do all kinds of stuff and I can't get it to work. It won't magnetize. So I break it in half, turn it end to end, put it like this and go in, out. Look at that. It's magnetized. Look at that. Turn it around. Put it in, go pull it out. Demagnetized. It won't do it. Turn the magnet around, in, out. Look at that. Nothing. Okay, so your knife blade, let's see, I think my knife blade is right now. Little teeny bit, so I'm gonna go pull it. I'm gonna push it, pull it. Here we go. There we go. Got my knife blade. So either push it or pull it, depending on if you want it magnetized or not magnetized, and you can do it as many times as you want, it'll never wear out. You can make it stronger by doing it more times for some reason. Like that, push that, push that. See, there it is, not very much. See if I can get this to work with my knife. There you go. I can unmagnetize it, magnetize it. Three different ways to magnetize a tool.